Hello, and welcome to Oscar's How-To Introduction video series on the ChemDraw software provided by the University of Arizona. ChemDraw is a drawing program that allows users to sketch skeletal structures of chemical compounds. In this video, you will learn how to master all the tools you will need to draw structures of chemical compounds. For the purpose of this video, I have already set up a document and the toolbars I will need to finish the skeletal structure of thalidomide. Together we will finish this structure while I introduce you to the functions of the tools in the main toolbar. At the top of the toolbar we have the lasso and the marquee, which are both selection tools. The perspective tool allows you to select a structure and reorientate it to look like it is three-dimensional. The fragmentation tool easily splits up molecules just like this. The solid bond tools bond atoms together. The eraser tool lets you delete one bond at a time. For example, the multiple bonds tool generates a variety of different types of bonds just like this one. The text tool allows you to add text to your drawings. In this case, we're going to be adding oxygen. The pen tool allows you to draw curved lines. The arrow tool is used to show different types of reactions. As you can see, there are multiple types of arrows that you can use. You can add molecular orbits to any atom using the orbital tool. The drawing and bracket tools permit you to make a variety of shapes. You are able to add lone pairs and charges to your molecules with the chemical symbol tool. Tables are created with the table tool. The template tools gives you a variety of clip art that you can add to your chemical drawings. The chain tool allows you to draw a long carbon chain while containing carbon atoms. The tools at the bottom of the main toolbar are shapes that you can use to draw your skeletal compound structures. The hashed bond, hashed wedged bond, bold wedged bond, and the hollow wedged bond are tools that allow you to generate different types of bonds. A great shortcut can be found on the Structure toolbar by using the Structure tool. Once you click on the tool, you will have a pop-up asking for the name of the compound. Once you have entered the name of the compound, then you will click OK. It will automatically generate a complete structure of the chemical compound. This concludes the third video of the How-To ChemDraw series here at the Office of Students Computing Services, also known as OSCR. I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.